filmed a makeup video in a good while. So as you can tell, my hair is a little bit different. I've tried the hair paint wax in red and orange. I'm gonna leave their Instagram right down below because I love this. I need to get more colors. Like seriously, I need to try the pink, I need to try the blue, I need to try the purple. I need to try all of them. So yeah, but this is how it's looking. It's kind of like a reddish pink. Some say it's pink. I said it's, if you can see it, I like it. So I'm just trying to try out this color to see if I actually want to dye my hair actually a burgundy. I kind of wanted to go ginger, so we'll see. I could just do the orange. I did that before, but it wasn't as bold. But anyway, just know that my hair is changing up very, very soon. So let's get on to the makeup tutorial now. So it's not going to be a whole talk through. I'm just going to speed through it and have music in the background. But all that's in front of me is Colourpop. And I'm going to be using, I'm going to try to use all products Colourpop. I think off the top of my head, I don't have a mascara or a brow mascara. That's what I'm thinking I don't have right now. I have everything else, I think. Okay, yeah. I think. Okay, let's go. Something real quick about the foundation. It's the no filter foundation, and I got two different ones. I think I got the one I'm using is dark 175, and the other one I've been using is dark 70. So this is the lightest one, this is the darkest one. So sometimes I mix, but I think today I'm gonna just use the dark one. Really trying. Anywho, we're just gonna, I'm gonna see, because I think the dark one is just fine. Okay, we're gonna see. So this lipstick really makes my teeth look whiter and stand out, so that's a plus. That's it. I mean, I love it. It matches, it seems like the lipstick kind of matches my hair, so it's kind of like coming together. I love it. I love it.